Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sew a single welt pocket. It's a great skill to have if you want to add some flair and functionality to your garments. You can sew this pocket to jackets, coats, pants or any other garment that you like. So, are you ready to learn how to sew a single welt pocket? Then keep watching and let's get started! And that's it, you have just learned how to sew a single welt pocket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more sewing tutorials. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload new videos every week, so stay tuned for more sewing fun. That's all for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy sewing!